Let's see another definition of language. Bernard Bloch or George Trager, 20th century American linguists, have formulated the following definition of language. A language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which a social group cooperates. In this definition, there are four key terms: system, arbitrary, vocal symbols, and a social group. In our earlier discussion, we have talked about how language is a system, and even we have talked about how a social group is related with language of that region. So these two terms, arbitrary and vocal symbols, are important. Here these linguists say that language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols. Now these symbols are vocal and arbitrary. Now what are these symbols? The symbols are the words which represent object or idea behind those symbols. For example, tree is an object and the word tree represents that object, but there is no logic why that word is particularly called tree. There is no logic. In the evaluation of language, some point the people have come to name that object as a tree. That is the only explanation. Therefore, the relation between the object and the word or the symbol used to represent that object or idea is arbitrary. It means that there is no logical reason why a tree is called tree or why a table is called table. Now these symbols are also vocal. Vocal means initially in the development of language, language was not in the written form. The written form of language came much later. Take any example, any language for example. Initially these symbols were spoken, and that is why they are vocal. So in this definition also, these linguists point out certain features of language. The next part of the definition tells that the social group cooperates, and that is true also. With the help of language in which that group uses language, they cooperate each other. So after reading these three definitions, earlier the definition of Oxford Learners Dictionary, then later of British linguists and these American linguists, we come to know certain features of language that we are going to see in my next video in detail. Thank you.